All right, we are ready to make some cookies, but these are healthy cookies. And so our final project is going to be these are beautiful cookies. And so I love oatmeal. I love raisins. I like chocolate and all of that's in here. So let's get started. First thing Jim's going to do is he's going to take the 3 bananas and smash them.
I got to peel them first.
Okay. So peel and smash 3 bananas. I
Yes.
can help you. I thought you would do it from the bottom, like the monkeys do.
Oh, okay.
Do you know monkeys peel the bananas from the bottom? All right, and bananas are a very good source of potassium. But I will tell you that a green banana is a healthier banana. It has cancer fighting nutrition in it. That was to the monkey.
That's not even nice.
That isn't nice.
That's freak.
Okay, good. The green bananas are healthier. So if you can eat a green banana and like a green banana, that's a healthy banana.
They don't taste so good.
I'm trying to survive time here, buddy. All right. The other thing you need to know, now they don't taste the best for me, but you might like them. If you do, good for you. They have less sugar. The green bananas have a lot less sugar in them. And so they are good for that reason too. But a good ripe banana, boy, that makes good banana bread and good banana cookies. And these are supposed to be ripe bananas, which they were ripe. They were
Frozen bananas in your smoothies.
Frozen bananas are great in smoothies. We always buy bananas, and if they go bad on us or start to go a little gone, we definitely peel them and put them in Tupperware freezer containers, and they're perfect to pop out to throw in your smoothies. Yummy, yummy. That gives you the sweetness that you need without having to add sweetener to. Oh, you're doing a great job, Jim. Keep going.
Thanks. I practiced a lot.
Oh, smashing bananas?
No.
Okay, it's the easiest way to smash bananas. I'll be honest with you. I've tried other ways. It's 2 forks. All right, just take a fork and go at it, and you're going to be able to smash up that banana. Let's show everybody how pretty that banana smash is. See there? Very easy. Very easy. Good job, Jimmy. All right, so the other things we're going to add are, by the way, our spatula is on sale. If you saw that go on sale today, yay. All right, and so we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, a fourth a cup of almond milk, and applesauce, a third a cup of applesauce. Just sweet. Stir away. So stir that all in. We're going to add some oats to that.
Quick oats.
I see some pretty big chunks of banana in there.
You told me I did a good job.
Oh, you did.
I know you throw me under the bus with banana smashing. What the freak?
At least she hasn't called you a monkey yet. Yeah.
Yeah. She was over there wanting the bananas, like, okay. All right, now we're adding 2 cups of oats, and we have in here a half a cup of chocolate chips. I will be honest with you, recipe calls for a cup of chocolate chips, and I think it's too much because they're dark chocolate, sugar-free chips, and they're just a little bit tart when you add too many. And it calls for a fourth cup of raisins.
Bitter.
It made it a little bitter, yeah. Yeah, so they come a little bitter. And so for the cup of raisins, and that's how easy this recipe is. Now, I want to tell you a couple things. I love our mixing bowls from Tupperware because these are our That's bowls, and that is a great size That's bowl. And I love all the sizes, but you can always find the right size when you're making cookies. This would actually hold a double batch of cookies. When I'm making my double batch, I use this one. Our measuring spoons from Tupperware have 2/3 and 3/4, which is very convenient. And our spoons, I always have a measuring spoon out here. I'm just going to show. But our spoons are so unique. Let me get a spoon, Jim. I did already measure the ingredients, but I will tell you what I like about them is you can take them off. They don't have to snap together all the time, and they will sit and wait for you. So if you're getting ready to make a recipe, you can have all the stuff sitting there ready for you to go. And my problem is cinnamon. Forgot the cinnamon. My problem is with the measuring spoons is I have a tendency to knock them over a little bit easier. But I will tell you that I love our measuring cups, spoons for that, if it's as long as it's something that's not too messy. All right, and that is a teaspoon of cinnamon. These are our spice dispensers, and I love them a lot. On one side you can shake, on the other side you can pour. I usually just take the lid off so I can get in there quickly. I have them labeled so I know exactly what's in there, and they will keep your spices for you fresher longer. Then the other thing I want to share with you that I really like so much is a beautiful little acrylic bowls. And you know, These are, the smaller ones are not always available, so you have to watch, and you always want to be in the know, and you always want to get a newsletter going, coming to you from Tupperware, or you want to make sure you're, you're an active consultant all the time, staying in the know. Because things like this don't come out all the time. I thought they was going to come out today, but they didn't. But things like this, our scoops are so wonderful, easy to use, easy to store. They've got different tips on here. You can take it off and put different ones on. And I will share with you, we're going to use also our silicone and our silicone cookie cover. And this is simple. Now, Jim, yours is runnier than mine. Okay, so just so you know, however that cookie lands is how that cookie's going to come out. And so if you see my little cookie balls and you see my little flat cookies, it's because when I made the first batch, I realized, oh, I got to smash that a little bit because if I don't, it's going to be a ball when it comes out. These are perfect, Jim. All right. And so we just load up the tray and pop that in the oven. We're going to cook him for 10 minutes at 350. And then oven's on, right?
Yep.
And then, so once you put it on there, just kind of smash it a little bit and you've got the perfect cookies and you'll come out in just a little bit and you'll see a beautiful tray cookies come out. Isn't that cool? And they're yummy. They're a great cookie to eat with that glass of wine. Hit. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys.